One day, a young boy named Raj was walking home from school. On the way, he saw a small wallet lying on the ground. He picked it up and looked inside. There was some money and an ID card. The ID card had the name and address of an older man. Raj thought for a moment. He could have kept the money, but he knew it was wrong. Instead, he decided to return the wallet to its owner. He walked to the address written on the ID card. When Raj reached the house, an old man opened the door. Raj gave him the wallet and said, "I found this on the road. I think it belongs to you." The old man looked very happy and thanked Raj many times. He told Raj that he had been looking for the wallet all day. Raj felt proud of his honesty. He knew that doing the right thing always makes a person feel good. One evening, Meena's best friend Priya called her. Priya sounded upset because she couldn't understand a chapter in her school book and her exams were the next day. Meena decided to help Priya. She took her book and went to Priya's house. For 2 hours, Meena explained the chapter step by step. Priya finally understood everything and felt more confident. The next day, Priya did well in her exam and thanked Meena for helping her. Meena was happy to help her friend and realized that true friends always support each other in difficult times. One rainy evening, Neha saw a small puppy shivering near a tree. It looked lost and scared. Neha took the puppy home and gave it some warm milk. She dried it with a towel and made a small bed for it. The puppy wagged its tail and licked Neha's hand as if to say, "Thank you." Neha decided to take care of the puppy until its owner was found. She put up posters around her neighborhood. After 2 days, a man came looking for his lost puppy. He thanked Neha for her kindness. Neha felt happy to have helped the little puppy